Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with another video. This time, as you guys can see, we got a new Tesla. So, without wasting any of your time, let's just start unboxing the accessories. So, I probably can say I got all the accessories ordered from CyberMetals and these guys are amazing. Let's just start with their products. Okay. This is the floor mat, as you guys can see. Wow, it's very rugged. I love the quality, and you can easily clean it. So, see, all the other products which I saw, Timu and stuff, they were just folded and not that good. But these guys, highly recommend. Can't wait to put them inside the car. So that's the front one. The back one comes like this. Again, look at the quality, no folds, nothing. They came folded inside the box. But still, look at them. Easy to clean again. And then you can just put them inside the back seat. Straight one. Take them out, clean it. Alright, next thing. Cup holders. I really wanted these because you kind of spill coffee inside the car. Just to avoid those cleaning stuff. Just take them out, clean them, and even water, put some water. They're all clean, ready to go. Okay, what's the other stuff which they have? You guys have been wondering what this is. Let's just unbox. Excited. Okay, there you go. Thanks a lot, CyberMetals. So this looks tiny, but it's the most important thing if you have a Tesla. So what it does is, when you have a flat tire, so you want to put a jack, just because there's battery beneath the car, you need to put these. Only then you'll be able to jack the car up. Otherwise, you'll just end up breaking some metal part or something. So they're coming in a set of 4. Again, look how handy this is. You can put it in the front or the back. It's pretty good. When I'm sitting there, I'll talk about the other stuff, which is the organizer inside the front middle space. So Tesla always has everything just like one big hole. So if you have these, you can just organize and keep the tiny bits and pieces like other keys and stuff, your work cards, IDs, you can keep them here instead of chucking them up and then trying to find them, wasting your time in the car park. Okay. And I also ordered, this is the tempered glass screen protector, which is the set for Model 3 front and back. So I have for the big screen and the back screen in the back. So I'm very excited to put them on, and you guys can have a look. And you guys can smile because you're on camera. Okay. Again, a big shout out to CyberMetals for sending me all the products. And last but not least, I ordered the screen guards as well, which is just place them there. And it protects the hinges. Perfect. And that's about it. So I'd like to say thanks a lot to CyberMetals team. And if you guys are based anywhere in Australia, you can order them. Thank you.
Look at the quality, guys. How evenly distributed the mat is. I never had any issues placing it. Amazing. Can't wait to put the screen protectors as well. Coming up next.